How to buy I can't be with token. So this token came under the symbol of BWEATHE. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And as you can see, this token is available on the screen here. It created 7 hours ago and increased by 1000% in less than 4 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. As you can see, this token trending #1 in this Solana section. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here and open your fetch mind for that. Click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this also can click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see, with that token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and try to switch the slippage from here, as you can see, your customer, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy BWEATHE token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.